Hola estudiantes, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo están? So I'm trying recording this short video to tell you that there are ways to improve your grade in this class. And one is participating. We have three activities in the middle language of the planet this semester in which you can participate. One is the student symposium. For the student symposium, it's just a matter of sharing your experiences during the pandemic, talking about the books that you read, the music that you listened to, or that you created, right? And also all those things that you did that are considered creative, creación, creatividad, and gardening, painting, and sculpturing, whatever it was, something that was creative. And if you're interested, write, well, first read everything, okay? Read everything and then write an abstract, 100 or 150 words. Email them to me first on March 8th. So if it needs some improvements, I can help you with them. And also, I give you the credits, okay? The extra credit. It has to be the 8th. So I can put you down as write it down as extra credit. And then there's the other one, which is basically going outside, taking a walk around in your neighborhood, and if you identify murals, posters, banners, ads, whatever you see outdoors that is in Spanish, you take a photo and then you enroll those photos as part of this certamen, this um, activity. Okay, again, read the description, and if you're interested, email me with the details. Okay, bien chicos, hasta luego. Chao.